Ready to spend your summer contributing to amazing open source projects and getting paid for it? First, head over to the Google Summer of Code website, GSoC, and take some time to explore. This is your central hub for all things GSoC. Next, click on participating organizations and browse through the list of open source projects. This is crucial. You need to find an organization whose work interests you. Once you've found a few organizations, dive deep into their project ideas, understand their goals, the technologies they use, and what they expect from contributors. Now, it's time to get involved. Join their communication channels, mailing lists, chat rooms, forums, and start contributing to the project. Submit small bug fixes or improvements. This will show them you're serious. With a solid understanding of the project, it's time to craft your proposal. This document is your sales pitch. Clearly outline your plan, timeline, and why you're the best candidate. Show how your skills align with the project needs. Finally, submit your proposal before the deadline. Double-check everything for errors, and good luck. Get ready for an amazing summer.